What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do a short video on the stock exhaust on the 2016 Veloster. I was surprised at how good it sounded. So we'll do a cold start today, and then a little bit later, once the car's warmed up, we'll take it for a spin and get it revving pretty high. Alright, so the car's warmed up. I've been driving around today doing some errands and whatnot, so we're going to let you check out the exhaust from the inside, what the cabin noise sounds like. It sounds pretty good. Here we go. See, as you can see, it sounds pretty good from in here. So I've always wondered what it sounds like from the outside. I've never let anybody drive it though. I just got it. So I'll have to have someone do that so I can hear what it sounds like on the outside, have them drive by to check it out. But I just wanted to show you guys what the stock exhaust sounded like. It sounds pretty good. It's got a good tone to it, and I'm excited because I want to get some aftermarket exhaust, obviously. Here we go. Sounds good. But alright guys, well, that's the end of the video. It was nothing long and nothing crazy. Didn't want to take up much of your time today, but just something to put up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for the next video.